Now that you've set up your SFTP, Dropbox, or email integration, you're probably asking yourself, how does StarLifter know what to do with this integrated data? For that, we have to set up our file match rules. To find your file match rules, we're going to open up our system definition and choose file match rules. To add a file match rule, right-click anywhere, click Insert Row, and then hit this button to edit. What we're doing is we are telling StarLifter what file name to look for and what collection to add that file to. For this example, I want StarLifter to search for a file that says email general ledger and is an Excel file. Another thing we can do is we can add a wildcard. In this example, as long as the file contains email general and XLSX, it doesn't matter what's after it, it'll upload that file. Now we can choose what collection we want to upload this data to. And then we choose the action. Appending is strictly adding new data. Overwrite means you're adding new data and you're updating existing data. And replace means you replace the whole collection. For this example, I just want to append. Key fields have to do with append and overwrite. If account code is my key field and I'm appending, if the old data and the new data have the same account code, that row won't be added. If I'm overwriting and the account codes match, the row from the new data will replace the row from the old data. You can choose a pipeline that you want to send this data through to be cleaned. And then when you're done, you hit save. Now, any data files that we email into StarLifter that meet this criteria will automatically go through the steps that we set up.